On in. We have a beautiful showroom. We have lots of pre-finished flooring. But that's not the reason why people come here. They come here because of our old world school trades and our custom floors. And as you walk around and you look at the floors, these are the things that we do. You have mahogany flooring with brass inlays. You have your standard traditional floors. You come in and we have herringbone cherry floors, Monticello parquet. We have custom borders with brass inlays with Purple Heart. We made this medallion 30 years ago with Purple Heart, Brazilian cherry, walnut. People are going to come here because they want traditional floors. They're not looking for the pre-finished floors with the V-grooves that look like there's still a crack in the floor. We sell these, but people come to us because they want unfinished flooring. We're a little bit different than your retailers that are out there because most of those companies have subcontractors. We do everything here in-house. We are a sanding and refinishing company. We are installers. We work with dust-free cleaning systems but you're going to come to us because you want traditional floors. And we can do the exotics. We've done them. At one time, we were 90% new hardwood floors. Today, things have changed. The construction field is not building the new houses like they used to. But if you need a kitchen floor, you need flooring at it, you need sanding and refinishing, we're here for that. That's what we do. And it's going to be done with us, our own people. And there's always a family member on the job.